Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to figure out what the passcode is on the Ford Explorer door panel. That sucker right there. Going to show you in just a minute. Coming right up. So everybody, if you have a Ford Explorer and you are trying to figure out how to discover the passcode to this, I'm going to show you how to find it if you don't know. If you're not the original owner or the passcode was lost, I'm going to show you where to find it. Okay folks, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the passenger side and go to the back seat and fold the back seat down, and you're going to want to remove this panel. Now, if you don't have one of these nifty little car dealership tools like I had for my car dealership, or that helps remove the plastic here, it helps you remove this stuff, and peel it back. It just makes it so much easier. If you don't have that, just use like a butter knife or something extremely soft. So you're gonna have to use some force to peel this back, but trust me, if you don't want to mess up these little rubber plasticky pieces all along here, because once they break, then it's not going to seal back properly. But what you do want to do is go down here to the box, and those large numbers right there, the large numbers in print on that box, is your factory code for your remote patch outside on your door panel to unlock your Ford Explorer or many other Ford products. Okay? That's pretty much all there is to it. But just remember, be careful when you're pulling apart the plastic pieces, because you don't want to mess up these. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe.